Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about post and pre increment versus decrement. So what is basically post increment, post decrement, again pre increment, pre decrement? What is that basically? Okay, so in Java, right? So we are having a concept of increment as plus plus minus minus like that. Okay, so when you want to increase some variable value into one, okay, basically you will give us a plus plus. Okay, so for example, the variable value contain 10. Okay, so if you want to make it 11, you no need to give 10 plus 1 something like that. Okay, you can give it as a the variable name plus plus like that. Okay, so that will be helpful for us to increment that. Again, see, for some operation you may need to increase the variable, right? Then you need to do the operation. Some operation you need to do the operation first, then you need to go for increment, right? So this type of use cases, whenever we are facing, we can go for a post or pre increment. Okay, what is basically post increment? Okay, I want to do this operation first, then I can do the increment. So that is called as a post increment. Means after doing my process, post, after process completed, post, it has to do the increment. That is called post increment basically. Okay, pre increment, first do the increment, then do the my process, that is called pre increment basically. Okay, let's see small example to understand more clear. Okay, so basically if you see my screen, right, you can able to see the Java class. So it is having main method. Again I have two variables. Okay, one is 10 and another one is 0. Okay, I is 10 and j is 0 basically. Okay, so what we need to do now? So here you can see as a post increment, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to assign the I into j, but adding 10, adding 5, right? So 5 plus I plus plus, it means it is a post increment. Okay, so assign the value first. What is the I value? 10. So 10 plus 5, 15, then assign into j. So now j will be 15. Then do the increment. Okay, so now if you print here, your j will be 15. Okay, the same time if you are doing plus plus I, here again I made the two variables same value whatever we initialize. Again if you are doing plus plus I, what basically it is doing, it will first do this increment. So what is I value? 10. So it will make it 11, then it will assign into j basically. So 11 plus 5 11 plus 5 16. So 16 it will assign and it will print that actually. Okay, the same way for decrement as well, post decrement and pre decrement as well. Okay, so post means what? First do the assignment, first do your operation, whatever operations you want, do it, then do the increment, that is called post increment. Okay, so pre increment nothing but first increment myself, then I can go for a process whatever you may be. Just try to understand, try to run this program. While running, as per our understanding, it should get first print 15, then 16, right? Again I am doing the increment decrement, so again here should be 15, here should be 14. That is what our expectation, right? Let's try to see that, try to run and see the output. See, hope you understood, right? So first whatever expected, it is printing actually. So post increments means first it will do the assignment operations, then it will do the increment. That's all. Okay, pre increment first do the increment, then it will do the business logic. Okay, that's all. Hope you understood, right? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.